fellow junior doctors. Welcome back to Junior Dr. Fiona Chow's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about the most important part of our body in the world, in our whole human system, our eyes. So, here is the structure of our eye. So, here, I think you're quite familiar with this. This brown, black part in the middle is called the pupil. It allows the light, or what you see, the image you see, into the back. So this is the light. And this is the cornea. So the cornea is basically the cover of our eye. It protects our eyes from, for instance, if dust enters our eyes, then it protects the pupil from getting an infection from the dust. And the iris is the muscle. So around our pupil, there are small muscles, and it basically contracts and expands to control how much light our eyeball is exposed to. And this is the light, as I mentioned, and here is the macula. The macula basically allows us to look, to read in a more detailed way, to look at something in a really detailed way. So it helps us with our reading. When you're reading a book, it helps us. And this is the optic disc. And normally here, it's our blind spot. It's where the light, or like what we see, where we can't see it. And the lens, this is the lens. And this is the optic nerve. So what does the optic nerve do? The optic nerve allows the things that we perceive from our eyeballs, and it sends the signal to our brains, and our brains would then organize the information, and in less than pretty much a second, and we will be able to know what we are looking at. And the most important part is the retina, and it's also the most sensitive part. Why? Because it has a lot of different cells to help us perceive colors, or to see, be able to see during like night with really less light forms. So the two main types of cells in the retina, the most sensitive area of our eyeballs, is the cone cell and the rod cell. So this is the cone cell and this is the rod cell. So the cone cell is basically in charge of the colors, and the rod cell is in charge of perceiving, letting us be able to perceive during nighttime. And so yeah, that's it for this week's YouTube video. And remember to tune in and also comment any questions down there in the comment section, because I'll possibly get a chance to answer your question. So remember to eat healthy, exercise, and enjoy life. Also, protect your eyes from a long exposure of, for instance, our laptop or our iPhones. Anyways, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you so much for watching this week's YouTube channel. See you next time!